In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your screen in Slack huddles. If you want to collaborate quickly with your team, Slack huddles make it easy to jump into a live conversation and show exactly what's on your screen without needing a separate meeting link. This is especially useful when you're reviewing a document, walking someone through a workflow, or troubleshooting something together in real time. You can share your full desktop or just one specific application window, depending on what you want others to see. To get started, open Slack in the desktop app or in your web browser. Then go to the conversation where you want to start or join a huddle. This can be a channel or a direct message. Once you're in the right place, look to the top right corner of the conversation window and click the headphones icon. That will start a huddle, or let you join one if it's already active. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can toggle joining or leaving a huddle with Control, Shift, and H on Windows, or Command, Shift, and H on Mac. Once you're inside the huddle, look toward the bottom left area of the Slack window for the huddle control bar. On that control panel, find the monitor shaped icon labeled Share Screen. Click it, and a system window will appear asking what you want to share. At the top of that pop-up, you'll see options for screens and windows. Choose screens if you want to share your entire desktop. This is helpful if you plan to switch between different apps while presenting. Choose Windows if you only want to share one application. That's usually the better option if you want to keep notifications, background files, or anything else on your desktop hidden. After that, click the thumbnail for the screen or window you want to broadcast. Then click the Share or Allow button in the bottom right corner of the pop-up to confirm. Once screen sharing begins, you should see a colored border around the screen or window you selected. That border is your visual confirmation that Slack is actively sharing that content. When you're done presenting, go back to the floating huddle controls and click Stop Sharing Screen to end the broadcast safely. And that's it. You now know how to share your screen in Slack huddles. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.